So I'm going to look at the last one here, which is this concrete block. So we're lifting a 4,000 pound concrete bridge section with unequally distributed steel reinforcing. One sling is 8 feet long and the other is 12 feet long. So this one here is 8 and this one over here is 12. The height to the hook is 7 feet. So this one here is 7 feet. Calculate the load on each sling. So we're going to use our same formula, but here's the catch. If this was an even bridge deck here, we'd be looking like this, and if we had these two slings, what would happen? We'd lift it up and then the whole thing would swing over this way so that the center of gravity got underneath the hook, and we'd have something that looked like this. So, and then the center of gravity would be directly underneath the hook that way. But we don't have that. We have an unevenly distributed section. So we have two different sling here with two different strains and two different angles. So what we have to do is calculate this out. I'll try and get another color here. And what we have to do is we have to look at this as if when we're calculating this one, we have to pretend that it's like an even load like that. And then when we calculate this other one here, when we're calculating that one out, we have to kind of treat it like the load is longer and even on both sides through here. Okay, so let's just calculate each one of these slings one at a time and see what we come up with. So first one, we have our weight divided by number of slings times the length of each sling over the vertical distance or the height. So we have 4,000 pounds and we have two slings, and then we have a length of 8 and a vertical distance of 7. So 4,000 divided by 2 is 2,000, and 8 divided by 7 is 1.14. And if I just leave that in my calculator and then times 2,000, I get 2,285.7 pounds on L1. So let's do L2. We're going to do the same thing. So W over N times L over V. Okay. So again, oops. We want to go 4,000 and over 2, and then this time we're going to go 12 over 7 because it's a little bit longer sling angle. And yeah, vertical height is 7. So for this one, what we're going to find is we got again 2,000 times 12 over 7. So 12 divided by 7 is 1.7. So let's just write that in here. So if we take our 1.7 times 2,000, and we end up with 3,428.6 pounds. Okay, so that's our L2.